Welcome, Milano family. I've got something for that cold weather day. Look at this. This is Milano's famous potato soup. Take a peek. It's got carrots, it's got celery, it's got bacon, it's got it all. We did it in an Instapot. Or you can do it on the stove, but in any case, you're going to love it. So watch this, and I'm going to enjoy it. So we're going to start off with, we're going to put a little bacon. We've got some bacon, about, 6 pieces or so. Cut it up. Hear that sizzle. Oh my goodness. That's just fabulous. Okay, so we're going to add the bacon, let it get crispy, and then we're going to add in, and it doesn't need to be precise, we're going to add in some celery. I put a little bit of carrots. We're going to put some onion. But first, we've got to let this go. I should love bacon. Oh, love it. We've got our potatoes already chopped up. So we did about 5 or so chopped potatoes. And you're going to see when we're cooking them that some people like to, when we're toward the end of the recipe, like to mash it up. I personally like to have little chunks. So we're going to have a little chunky potatoes. So the bacon is looking super crispy. I don't know if you can see it. Take a little look, see, looking fabulous. Now we're going to add celery. We're going to add in some carrots and some onion. Hear that crispiness? Crisp. Yummy. All right, now I'm going to put a little pepper. Oh, it smells delightful. Give that a minute or two. All right, now we're going to add in the potatoes. Lovely. Going to add in a little more. So I'm just tossing this a little bit, tossing it lightly before I put in the broth. Put a little something, something. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Nice. Now we're going to go with, we're going to do 5 of these bad boys. 2. You know what? It's going to be a total 4. Okay. Fabulous. There we go. A little salt, pepper, more pepper here. Then we are going to lock and load. Okay. We're going to go to pressure cook. And we're going to put that on for about, I'm going to go with 8 or so minutes. Let's go for 10. Then we'll take a peek. 10 and see in a minute. And lift. And oh gosh, that's looking good. The potatoes are nice and tender. It's going to stir it up. As I mentioned earlier, some people like to mash. I'm going to break them up a little bit, so it makes the soup a little creamier, but I do like to keep chunks. We're going to add the heavy cream, so stand by. Take about 4 chunks of butter, and we're going to mix it with some flour, a little bit of flour, and we're going to mix this up because we are going to thicken up the soup. So we whip this up so that there's no bumps in the flour and the butter mixture. Wonderful. And we're going to pour this on in. We're going to shut it off of sauté in just a minute, and then I'm going to pour in the cream. I'm going to add a little bit more pepper, though. A little bit more. We're going to stir up a bowl, and we will be right back. All right, let's do the final taste test and see how good Milano's potato soup really is. Hold on. It's simply fantastic. So you guys try it. Get out that Instapot. You got this. It's only the second time I've ever used one. It's wonderful, but you know what? We'll see you next time with some Instapot recipes, or maybe not. So join us with Milano, and we will see you very soon.